Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Time to brush your teeth.
Time to brush your teeth.
Don't forget to wash your hands.
Don't forget to wash your hands.
Have you done your homework?
Have you done your homework?
Please clean up your toys.
Please clean up your toys.
We're going to be late if you don't hurry.
We're going to be late if you don't hurry.
Eat your vegetables. They're good for you.
Eat your vegetables. They're good for you.
It's bedtime now. Sweet dreams.
It's bedtime now. Sweet dreams.
Please share with your sibling.
Please share with your sibling.
Remember to say please and thank you.
Remember to say please and thank you.
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you.
You can do anything if you try hard.
You can do anything if you try hard.
Let's read a book together.
Let's read a book together.
Let's go outside and play.
Let's go outside and play.
Be kind to others.
Be kind to others.
Are you feeling okay?
Are you feeling okay?
I love you very much.
I love you very much.
You did a great job today.
You did a great job today.
Always tell the truth.
Always tell the truth.
It's okay to make mistakes. Just learn from them.
It's okay to make mistakes. Just learn from them.
Don't forget your coat. It's cold outside.
Don't forget your coat. It's cold outside.
Let's tidy your room before we go out.
Let's tidy your room before we go out.
Did you remember to pack your lunch?
Did you remember to pack your lunch?
Please listen carefully when I'm speaking.
Please listen carefully when I'm speaking.
You're so creative.
You're so creative.
Are you ready for school?
Are you ready for school?
No more screen time for today.
No more screen time for today.
What would you like for dinner?
What would you like for dinner?
Let's say sorry if we hurt someone.
Let's say sorry if we hurt someone.
I love spending time with you.
I love spending time with you.
It's time to do your chores.
It's time to do your chores.
Please take your shoes off inside the house.
Please take your shoes off inside the house.
You're very brave.
You're very brave.
I believe in you.
I believe in you.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
You can ask for help whenever you need it.
You can ask for help whenever you need it.
I love your smile.
I love your smile.
I'm so glad you're part of this family.
I'm so glad you're part of this family.
Remember to be patient.
Remember to be patient.
Would you like to help me cook?
Would you like to help me cook?
Always try your best.
Always try your best.
You're a wonderful friend.
You're a wonderful friend.
Let's be gentle with our toys.
Let's be gentle with our toys.
What did you learn at school today?
What did you learn at school today?
We all make mistakes, and that's okay.
We all make mistakes, and that's okay.
Let's pick up the laundry together.
Let's pick up the laundry together.
Be respectful to everyone.
Be respectful to everyone.
Try again, don't give up.
Try again, don't give up.
Let's put on sunscreen before we go outside.
Let's put on sunscreen before we go outside.
I'm here if you want to talk.
I'm here if you want to talk.
Don't forget to pack your school bag.
Don't forget to pack your school bag.
Remember, it's important to be kind.
It's important to be kind.
What are you grateful for today? What are you grateful for today? You're so smart.
You're so smart.
Please don't run in the house.
Please don't run in the house.
Let's get ready for story time.
Let's get ready for story time.
We'll work together to solve this problem.
We'll work together to solve this problem.
Do you need a hug?
Do you need a hug?
It's okay to feel sad sometimes.
It's okay to feel sad sometimes.
Always be curious and ask questions.
Always be curious and ask questions.
Would you like to help me water the plants?
Would you like to help me water the plants?
Let's be mindful of other people's feelings.
Let's be mindful of other people's feelings.
You're growing up so fast.
You're growing up so fast.
Remember to drink water today.
Remember to drink water today.
It's time to get dressed.
It's time to get dressed.
Let's make a plan for the day.
Let's make a plan for the day.
Let's set the table for dinner.
Let's set the table for dinner.
Remember to chew your food slowly.
Remember to chew your food slowly.
Thank you for being such a good helper today.
Thank you for being such a good helper today.
I'm glad you're feeling better.
I'm glad you're feeling better.
Please hold my hand when we cross the street.
Please hold my hand when we cross the street.
I'm sorry if I upset you.
I'm sorry if I upset you.
Take your time. There's no rush.
Take your time. There's no rush.
Keep practicing and you'll get better.
Keep practicing and you'll get better.